All right, guys. Hopefully you can hear me over the fan. As you can see, got some essentials going on here. We're gonna try to restore these things. Wish me luck. Hopefully I don't mess up. I can't show you guys too much because I myself have to watch a video on how to do this and correctly. So I will get back with you guys after I finish one, maybe, or through the process. I don't know. We'll see. All right. Excuse the dirt. She need a bath, but attempt number one, fail. That 3M kit, garbage. So we're gonna do it the manual way. Hopefully we have better luck this time, because not looking so hot. So here we go, attempt number two, try number one. All right, I guess I'll video this fail. Wow, I hate how good that makes that look, because that's not how it looks in real life. I swear, guys, I swear. But end product, that's what we got. I thought of before, earlier in the video, but this is what we got. I'm gonna have to deal with it. Not perfect. You can still see spots here, but I think it's just because the oxidation sat on there for so long, nobody did anything about it, that it stained it. Happens. It is what it is. I guess it looks better. I don't know. I'll let you guys be the judge of that. I'll put the pictures in there and let you guys judge, like I said. But I just pushed her out a little bit so I can wash all this crap off her nose. And then we will stick her right back inside. Crap. I still haven't done a run through of parts for you guys. Maybe I'll go record that. Well, I don't know, maybe tomorrow. But I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I do have some parts in for her. A lot of parts that I haven't showed you guys to talk to you about yet. So I'll get around to doing that eventually. But for right now, while I still got a little bit of daylight, which is very limited at the moment, I'm gonna go ahead and wash this stuff off her because I'm not going to sleep with this staying on her. So I'll catch y'all on the next video, and hopefully it'll be a rundown of all the parts and give you some sort of idea of what's going on with this thing. But I'm gonna get it cleaned up. Catch y'all later. Appreciate the love and support.